Your hunters venture out, they begin to encounter other cultures to the west, along the Mediterranean coast. You have sent parties of explorers to search the borderlands to learn about these people whom you call Libyans. According to legends, there are sacred sites nearby. These can be recognized by the shape of a white horse etched into the ground. Find the 5 discoveries before the encroaching Libyans do.
Alamas. Umbis. Alamas, Alamas. Summers, Isa. Alamas. Hilare. Alamas, Alamas. Alamas. Isa. Alamas. 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 Isa. Isa. Alamas. 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 Isa. Araí, Alamas. 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 Alamas.
Your band of explorers has discovered the sacred sites and pushed back the invaders from the west. You do not believe